Japan is opening its first ever esports gym in Tokyo.
Oh.
You're not going to make a lot of babies in there, I'll tell you what.
No. Good. They really tried.
I don't know what you mean by that. I don't even think I'm going to ask what you mean by that. You can book 3-hour slots at a PC and pay for coaching from professional gamers. These are things that exist actually elsewhere. Obviously, the professional gaming market exploding, expanding. It'll surpass $1 billion in global revenue by 2021. The industry stands to surpass $1 billion global revenue by 2021. People are figuring out, okay, if my mission is to become an esports professional, then what am I supposed to be doing on a daily basis right now? How do I prepare for such a thing? And if we're going to call it a sport, then wouldn't a training regimen be something similar to what an athlete would be every day?
Yeah.
Right.
Same with like a tutor. Or something.
Yeah.
If you want to be an academic.
Sure. Yeah. It's a similar coaching concept. Gamers can book 3-hour time slots at one of the PCs for about $13 or opt for a monthly membership starting at $50. To me, it kind of looks like a internet cafe, but I guess they put that extra twist on it and they have gaming chairs. So it's not an internet cafe because they have gaming chairs.
Yeah, it makes it legit.
However, if you scroll a little further down, you're going to see a state-of-the-art facility they put in South Korea, which is actually 10 stories. It's the T1 building where gamers train in Seoul. And they're not messing around. This one features or houses 70 professional gamers, and they have access to a Nike-sponsored gym, on-site nutritionists, and English language classes.
Wow.
We have a gym, a cafeteria, chefs, everything that these young players need to perform their best. John Kim, the organization's chief operating officer, told AFP. So, yeah, maybe we're going to see more of this stuff going on.
Right on.
And it feels like some kind of like science fiction X-Men thing. Like imagine you grow up in that thing there, that 10-story building with a Nike gym and a personal chef. What happens when... Do these professional games have to be earning money, or could it be a prospect that is being sponsored to be there because they're as a team, they're going to, I guess it's probably both.
Yeah, maybe both.
Yeah.